Hello guys, here we are on Tech.Future. Today we are going to discuss about how to boost out the performance of our PC. There are many reasons so your PC could lag in many aspects. So there are bunch of settings or tips for boosting of your PC or laptop. First of all, first tip is power mode. We need to go through power mode. We always need to make our power mode in the best performance so that we can get our best performance from our PC. If there isn't any kind of problem in our electricity, then we need to make our this we need to lift the power mode in the best performance, and we need to make a 1 hour power plan. For that we need to go through power and sleep, then we'll get this option. We can check out there by going additional power setting. After going that, we need to add a create a power plan. After that, we are going to add a high performance power plan. If we do next, if we do create, after that our high performance power plan has been created and our performance of PC will be boosted. And another thing need to be remembered is a task manager. There are different bunch of startup app that will automatically start while starting your Windows, so we need to disable that. For that we need to go to task manager. After going to task manager, we need to go to stuff off. In my case, I have removed all of the app or application. So there are a bunch of application we used to automatically enabled. We need to disable that so that it will help to boost off. I'm going to enable. We need to have right click in that for enabling disabling that. After having right click, we can just disable whatever we can. And another thing is we need to remember that we need to remove the application which are unnecessary. For that we need to go through add and remove. We can just go through add and remove. After going to that, we can just check out what application are not needed to us. We need to remove that application. For example, in my case, I'm just going to uninstall one of the application. I'm just going to uninstall that application by having general click, and I'm going to uninstall this. As you know that if you make your PC load free, then performance of your PC will automatically boosted. So you need to remember that keep your PC load free. I'm just going to close out everything. After that, we need to remember that when thought is a defragment. Defragment is we need to go for, if you just type defragment, we'll reach that. We need to click that. After that, we'll get this option. I have only defrag optimize this first row. See, I'm going to optimize. If I go through optimizing, then it is optimizing, so it has been optimized. I'm going to close out this. After that, we need to have this cleanup option. For that we need to go to this cleanup option. For that we need to check out, give permission for checking out. I'm just giving permission. After that I am just going to uninstall whatever things are not necessary to me. Just like I'm just going to uninstall or delete this above file. After that, third option is a temp. Just if we search for temp, we need to first of all search for run. If we run, then we need to search for temp. If we search for temp, then you will reach to this folder. There are bunch of unnecessary file. We need to have a control plus A and delete all of the application file. I'm just going to delete bunch of application. I will just delete it. And after that we need to again go to the run, and we need to type percentage temp and percentage. These are user on temporary file. We need to also delete that. I'm just going to select a bunch of files and going to delete that. And the last and most important is recycle bin. We need to make our recycle bin empty, so that first of all we need to go to the recycle bin. I'm just going to delete off this. I'm just going to delete. If I delete this, it also helps to boost up the performance of your PC.